Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss the follow-ups for describe a new development in your country or the area where you live, like shopping center, park, etc. So the first question is public transportation popular in India? Yes, public transportation is popular in India. India has a vast network of public transport options, including buses, trains, and metros. In urban cities like Delhi, metro has gained significant popularity due to their efficiency in navigating through traffic congested roads. Okay. Second question is what can be done to improve public transport service in India? Well, I feel that public transport services in India can be improved in a lot of ways. Firstly, India needs to expand and modernize the infrastructure for buses, trains, and metros to increase capacity and reduce congestion. Also, implementing smart technologies like real time tracking and integrated payment systems should be used to enhance user convenience. So, real time tracking means we can track when the bus is going to come on our phone. And integrated payment systems, like every transportation system has one card only, one card, one payment. Okay, let's say that you are traveling via metro and then you have to hop on the bus. You should not be needing two ways to pay for the fare. You have only one card through which you can use it on the bus as well as on the metro. Third question is what leisure facilities could be used by people of all age groups? Leisure facilities like parks and community centers can cater to people of all age groups. The former provides a natural environment for relaxation and social interaction for families, while the latter offers activities like yoga, art classes, and cultural events that attract diverse age groups. Former, we are talking about parks, latter, we're talking about community centers. Fourth question is do you think young people in India like going to the cinema? Yes, youngsters in India love going to the cinema. Movies offer an affordable and popular form of entertainment, and the experience of watching movies on the big screen, often in multiplexes with modern facilities, is highly appealing. Okay, if you watch movies on a big screen, it is highly appealing, it is highly visual. Okay, additionally, Indian movies offer a diverse range of genres that cater to the tastes of young audience, contributing to its popularity. Okay. Fifth and the last question is how is the subway system developing in India? India's subway system is rapidly developing, with several major cities investing in metro rail projects to address urban transportation challenges. Cities like Delhi and Mumbai are undergoing significant metro expansion projects to improve connectivity and reduce road traffic congestion. Also, Bangalore Metro is expanding its reach to cover more areas and reduce the city's notorious traffic jams. Okay, so this was the follow-ups for describe a new development in your country or the area where you live. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button